great home. Your stains may be tough, but they're not what? They're not that tough? They're not really tough? They're not tough enough? Did they run out of ink? They're not what? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather Gearhart. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I hope that you will find these videos informative and fun. Hopefully you'll learn something and laugh along the way. And my channel is all about helping you make your life a little bit easier, cheaper, faster, more fun so that you can get on with your life and do the important things. So please consider subscribing, and when you do, hit the bell so you're notified of every video I post. And I post every Tuesday and Thursday. So today we're gonna do another Instagram made me buy it. And honestly, I bought this before reading all the reviews on Instagram. So, my bad. But this is the Great Home, the new upgrade. And it's supposed to be a powerful multi-purpose stain remover that is eco-friendly. And the reason that it is eco-friendly is, it's chlorine-free, no dyes, no fragrances. And you get this bottle in here with these tabs that you dissolve in it, and then you don't have to keep buying new plastic bottles every time. You just buy the tabs, and that saves on plastic, so that's good. But it says, starts to work right before your eyes, and says it's great for carpets, sofas and chairs, clothing,
pet stains, walls and doors, baseboards, scuff marks, linoleum, countertops, other hard surfaces, drains and disposals, coffee, tea, red wine, fruit, juice, cola, ketchup, salad dressing, spaghetti sauce, and many other food stains, mildew, blood, ink, makeup, glass, mud, blinds, curtains,
bird droppings,
sports equipment, patio furniture, awnings, boats, RVs, showers, tiles, textures, hard water deposits, and more!
Wow. All right, so I haven't actually even opened it. We're gonna open it right here. The reviews on Instagram were less than favorable. Okay, it's invincible. All right. You're using a half a pouch for general cleaning and a full pouch for stain fighting, and then you fill the water to here. Oh, it comes with multiple pouches. And always test the detergent on an inconspicuous area first for adverse reactions. That's promising. So I think I read before that you can't really keep it in here. You have to discard what you don't use. So that seems really wasteful, but I don't see that on here. All right, let's go see if it works. Pretty much looks like Windex now.
Does it clean really disgusting stainless steel? Sure, alright, I guess. Does it clean a dirty stovetop?
To be honest, it smells like nothing, and it looks like water coming out.
Does it clean a dirty sink? Get all that stuff in it. Let's see.
I'm gonna go with no. That is all still there. Also, this is now dripping out of here, so I have a leaky bottle, which kind of defeats the purpose of reusing this bottle. But we're gonna see, does it clean dirty granite? Okay, so looks okay. It didn't remove, so we got stuff right there. Wait, I just need a blood sample to test this cleaner. Okay, Yes, no blood sample. Zach won't give me a blood sample, will you? Okay, after cleaning with this, I did notice on the back of the box it says, for best results, use the solution within 8 hours. So you do have to dump out anything that you don't use in the same day. Now, if this stuff actually worked for every single thing in your house, you could do kitchens, bathrooms, all of that, then you might use the whole thing in one shot and then it would be worth it. But if you had leftovers and the next day you wanted to wipe down your granite countertops or your whatever countertops, you couldn't do it. You'd have to dissolve an entire new tab or at least half a tab and use all of that up on whatever you're gonna use. And so this actually is not very economical, and the bottle was leaking and it didn't clean anything better than plain water would, in my opinion. And I couldn't get the blood test. Children. So anyway, we're gonna go with a big fat no on this. Okay, so this is not replacing my Lemmy Shine multi-purpose cleaner that I love. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it in the description. I absolutely love that. It's eco-friendly. It smells great. It cleans everything. This does not. It's like water. It does nothing. Stupid Instagram. Anyway, get the Lemmy Shine all-purpose cleaner and try that. It's awesome. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this informative and useful, and otherwise, have a great day, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel with the YouTube algorithm so that more people can see it. So just click it. Thanks. See ya.